Welcome to Samba Samba. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will compare the Subaru Forester versus Acura RDX. We'll explore their key differences to help you decide which SUV best fits your lifestyle. The Forester is known for its rugged capability and strong safety features, while the RDX offers a more refined driving experience and upscale amenities. We'll look at performance, interior comfort, and overall value to give you a clear picture of each vehicle's strengths. When it comes to performance, these two SUVs offer distinct experiences. The Subaru Forester typically comes with a 2.5-liter boxer engine, providing reliable power and good fuel economy for everyday driving and light off-roading. The Acura RDX, however, usually features a 2.0-liter turbocharged engine, delivering more horsepower and a sportier feel. Both offer excellent all-wheel drive systems, but the RDX often feels more dynamic on the road. Inside, the differences are quite noticeable. The Subaru Forester focuses on practicality, offering a roomy cabin with excellent cargo capacity and durable materials, perfect for families and adventurers. The Acura RDX elevates the experience with a more luxurious interior, featuring premium soft-touch materials, advanced technology, and a more sophisticated design. While both offer comfortable seating, the RDX aims for a more upscale and refined ambience, appealing to those seeking a premium feel. Finally, let's consider value and safety. The Subaru Forester typically has a more accessible starting price, around $30,000, making it an excellent choice for budget-conscious buyers who still want capability and safety. The Acura RDX, being a luxury SUV, comes with a higher price tag, starting around $46,000, reflecting its premium features and performance. Both vehicles consistently receive top safety scores, offering peace of mind. Your decision will likely come down to whether you prioritize affordability and ruggedness or luxury and spirited driving.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.